Hi, you're watching The Sovera. This is Amarpal Singh before you. As BJP failed to pass the Constitution Amendment Bill in the Lok Sabha, so a debate has triggered over the Women Reservation Bill. As the bill Constitution Amendment Bill, it was proposing 33% reservation for the women. So now the opposition parties they are targeting the BJP-led central government over the that they have delayed this women reservation bill by linking it with the delimitation. On the other side, BJP they are targeting the opposition parties by saying that they are against this women reservation. So we are having with us today senior BJP leader Manoranjan Kalia with us. So welcome to the Suvera first of all.
Thank you.
Sir, what do you want to say about this debate over the women reservation bill?
देखो the bogey raised by the Congress doesn't contain water. Fact is that women reservation bill, in other words, Nari Shakti Vandan Adhiniyam, it was passed unanimously in 2023. It is because of and solely due to Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. And at that time, it was linked with the census. First, the census will be there. Thereafter, the delimitation process will be there. And after that, with the increase of the seats in the Lok Sabha, so 33% seats of the Lok Sabha will be reserved for the women. Right? Now, the census has started on the 1st April 2026. It should have been started at the 2021 because of COVID. So it was delayed. Now, the census process and delimitation process, it takes about 10 years, a decade to have completed. It means that the benefit of reservation could not have been realized before 2036 after that, right? Now, one decade means one generation of the women. They could not, they would have been deprived with the benefit. Now, by bringing 131st constitutional amendment in the Lok Sabha, it is an attempt by the NDA government to prepone the benefit, to be given to the women reservation. Right? Now, question is, there are doubts about raised by the Congress that the proportion where the population is very high, those states will be benefited, say UP, Bihar. Now, earlier definitely, it is the earlier in 1971, the population of the country was 54%, 54 crores, 54 crores. In 1976, it was increased, the seats of the Lok Sabha were increased from 522 to 543. Right? Now, thereafter, the population has gone to 140 crore. Okay? So then, the seats, the upper limit suggested by the NDA government, it was 850. And they have proposed that the 815 seats will be increased. So, the basis of the increase in the seats among states is not going to be on the basis of population, but in consonance with the ratio of the different states enjoyed in the Lok Sabha. Right. At present, southern states who have implemented family planning, otherwise they have come to a loss. Right. So, the ratio at present is 23.67%. So, if the seats would have been increased, then the ratio would have been 23.87%.
जी.
So they stands benefited
Right.
by doing so. But the Congress opposed it tooth and nail, and the required majority, two-third majority, is needed to get the constitutional amendment passed.
Right.
So that the constitutional amendment was dropped.
Right.
Right? So that very shows the mentality of the Congress and the opposition party. They are very much against the women of the country.
Right.
70 crore population of India. They are against that, and they will pay in the same coin in the coming elections.
Right. But Kalia ji, Congress leaders, they are reminding the letter which was written by Sonia Gandhi in 2017-18 to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, that for the immediate for passing this women reservation bill on the immediate basis. So they are claiming that Congress was always with the women, and even the previous reservation was also was provided by the Congress party. So how you see this?
They are blowing hot and cold in same breath. Okay? They are writing something else, that as if they are in favor of the women, but their actions in the parliament are totally opposite
Right.
to their what they say.
Right.
Right?
So now how BJP is going to move further? Like now this constitution amendment bill you have failed to pass in the Lok Sabha. Now how you are moving further?
Now, as the things rest, the women resolution bill that is going to be realized in 2036. Right?
Right.
Now, it is an attempt to prepone that. Bill is there. So, they want to cut short the process.
Right.
ठीक है ना? They offered to change the parameters.
Okay.
Instead of population,
Right.
they offered to have a ratio amongst the states, a ratio of the representation in the Lok Sabha.
Right. So now, as this debate is going on across different states across the India, so how now whether BJP is going to stage protests also regarding this?
Our purpose that we are going to the masses, that to expose the Congress and the opposition party, what they have done in the Lok Sabha.
Right. Thank you so much. So he is senior BJP leader Manoranjan Kalia, who spoke openly regarding the women reservation bill, as debate has intensified across the India after this constitution amendment bill was failed to pass in the Lok Sabha. So BJP, they said that they will expose Congress, their ideology across India among the presidents of India. So we will keep updating you. Stay tuned to the Swera for more updates. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Sandeep Singh.